everyone. Okay, so a lot of you have been asking how I make my frontals look so realistic, especially from my last makeup video, and it's quite simple. You just need to know how to bleach your lace frontals and also plug the hair. So in today's video I will show you guys how to properly bleach the knots on your lace frontals using this frontal from Ali Julia hair. Some frontals come in so overpacked, but this one is nicely packed with a pre-plucked hairline, which makes the job so much easier. Also, from Ali Julia Hair Company, I received their Peruvian body wave bundles, but we will concentrate on how to bleach the frontals for today's video. So the two major products you need to effectively bleach your frontal is a powder lightener and a cream developer. You can get this from any beauty supply store, and the developer ranges from 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 volume, but to bleach any closure of frontals, I prefer using the 20 volume developer, and the reason is because the higher the volume of a developer, the faster it will bleach your frontal. So if you're not a hands-on type of person, the frontal will overprocess, thereby damaging it. So to prevent that, I always respect myself and use the 20 volume. So to bleach a frontal, I always use 2 spoons of the powder lightener and 1 spoon of the cream developer. Of course, the measuring spoon helps a lot because that's exactly the measurement I go for each time. And I love to mix the whole thing properly, making sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Also, for the mixture, you want it as thick as a toothpaste, just the same consistency with a toothpaste, so it doesn't run from the lace to the hair while applying it. Also, to get rid of any yellow tones or brassiness from the lace, I love to add about 2 to 3 drops of a red gold corrector. This simply helps correct the tones while bleaching it. So it's now time to start applying the mixture onto the frontal, and one thing I always do during this time is to work in a fast pace. You want the whole frontal to bleach at the same time, so I start applying the bleach all over the knot of the frontal. I don't use any particular order for this, I just work as fast as I can. And once I've saturated the whole frontals, I will go ahead and use a foil paper to cover it. Using a foil paper helps with the processing, and now all I need to do is to check the frontal once in a while to make sure it's not over processing. Girl, whenever I'm bleaching my frontals, I don't have rest of mind because fixing an overprocessed closure of frontal is worse work. So I keep on checking every 5 minutes, and after about 20 minutes, I notice the knots on the frontals are beginning to turn yellow, so it's then time to wash it off. And I first of all love to wash off the bleach thoroughly with a lukewarm water and then proceed to use a neutralizing shampoo. Neutralizing shampoos are the best shampoo to use because they help with stopping the bleach from continuous processing. And of course, Silk Element is my favorite shampoo to use. Not only does it neutralize the bleach, it also has this unique smell it leaves on the frontal. So I normally use 2 shampoos, one to neutralize and the other to condition and remove the yellow tones on the frontal. So I'm using generic conditioning shampoo, and this is what the frontal is looking like here. It looks so natural, but you can still see that the knots are still somewhat yellow. So this is where the next step comes in. So for this next step, I'll add about 2 cups of the Wella Pale Ash Blonde Toner, and this is going to get rid of that yellow tone completely and give us a scalp-like color. I love to mix it with about half cup of water and allow it to soak on the frontal for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. And yeah, you guys, as you all can see, this last step gives the exact accurate color to the frontal. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check out my description box for info on Ali Julia hair. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.